If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey, it's James from Selman Home Inspections. I was up looking at a chimney and wanted to share a few things. From the outside, we normally walk around, we look at the chimney, we look at the condition. The first thing I look for is a metal cap, which is this thing right here. That just prevents the chimney from deteriorating. Older style homes didn't have that, but we recommend that on any chimney today just because it keeps it from deteriorating from the weather. The thing about this chimney I noticed, if you look down here, you see it's all black and goopy around it. Well, the first thing when I was getting on the roof I saw, you see this flashing right here, I'll step back, is lifting up. That's the one thing we don't want. We want the flashing to stay nice and tight. The other big thing I noticed is you can see this black mastic all the way around, and you can see it on the top side of it here. You can see how much is piled up right here. That's something we don't want. That's an indication to us that there's been a prior leak or there's been an issue that they had to go back and reseal around the chimney. This is something we look for in home inspections. You can't even see this from the ground, so it's what's very important to have a home inspection done. And to, we can get up here and look at these things and find this so you don't buy a money pit. Feel free to give us a call or check us out at selmanhomeinspections.com. Thanks.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.